Hello everyone, let me share with you how I made this crunching and mouth-watering chinchin. Start by sieving 4 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl and also half tablespoon of baking powder. After sieving the flour and the baking powder, I added 3 tablespoons of sugar. I also went in with half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, then mix all the dry ingredients together. After mixing the dry ingredients together, I added half tablespoon of vanilla essence. I also added an egg to it, half cup of milk, then 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix all the ingredients together. After mixing with the spatula, next I change to my hand so that I can mix all the ingredients together until it forms a dough. Once it's nicely mixed together and it has formed a dough, next I covered with a cling film and allowed to rest between 10 to 15 minutes. And this is like 10 minutes. I'll be bringing it back, then transfer to a working surface. To continue to the next step of making our chinchin, spread some flour on the working surface, then transfer the dough to it. Knead for about 2 minutes. After kneading for 2 minutes, I'll cut the dough into 2 equal parts. Then I'll be working with one part of it. Spread some flour to the working surface, transfer the dough to it, and begin to flatten it. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. After flattening the dough with a rolling pin, cut out into shape with a kitchen knife or a pizza cutter. So I'll cut it into strips vertically and cross it horizontally. After cutting them into shapes, transfer into a bowl. Then repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Next, we go ahead to fry. I added a piece of chinchin to my preheated oil to know if it's hot enough. If it flows from the bottom to the top, which means it's ready, then add the chinchin to the oil and begin to fry. Leave for about 2 minutes before you stir. Fry on a medium heat. Stir at intervals so that the chinchin can be evenly fried. Fried until it becomes golden brown. Once it's well fried and golden brown, remove from the oil and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Then you have your crunching and mouth-watering chinchin. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And to my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. Allow to cool down completely and store in an airtight container. Please kindly like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.